Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Broad Street Lagos, and I am Jonas Emmanuel. And I have here with me
Victor
Victor.
SCN.
Okay. So today we noticed price movement from Multiverse. By the way, Multiverse is a mining and exploration company. So we noticed some price movements currently with them, and then I think we thought it is worthy of note, so we said we should bring it to you and let's take a deep dive into Multiverse and see what is causing this price movement and what is causing this change. So Victor, over to you.
Yeah, so we saw that as at 7th of January, the market closed. They were closed at 9 70 kobo. There was a 0.85 kobo change. Um, for the 52-week range, you could see they have a high volatility and a high range, trading from 4 naira 60 kobo to 18 naira 20 kobo. So there's a lot of room for growth. The yesterday's volume was at 313,000. The average volume for 3 months is at 254,000. The market cap is 4 billion. The price to earnings is at 16. The earning per share is at 0.62. It's a dividend paying company. Though the dividend is low, about 5 kobo in dividend and a dividend yield of 0.52%. So quickly,
Okay.
we'll dive into the interactive charts to see this price movement that Jonas has mentioned.
Yeah. So I would like us to we see that it has been bearish over a certain period and then all of a sudden became very bullish towards the end of the year till the beginning of the year. So can we look at a wider time frame to see?
Okay, so let's look at the 1 year.
So that further emphasizes my point. It has been very steady bearish, and then all of a sudden it jumps. So do we see this price hitting up to that 15 that it was previously?
Yeah, at the beginning of 2024, we saw that it had a high of 18.2, which the 52-week range has showed us. So I think if we look at a wider time frame, maybe a 5-year period, we could make better conclusions on this stock.
Okay.
Okay, so from the 5-year chart, we see a flat price of 0.2 for a long time from 2022 below. And then from August, we see some movement into the 4 naira mark, the 3 naira mark, and then a high of, we need to check this, a high of 20 in above 20 in 2024, and then the bearish movement that Jonas mentioned, and then all of a sudden it's spiking up again. So I think we've also been seeing them on the top volume recently, being among the top volume shares uh, in the market. So we think that the stock is gaining a lot of traction. What do you think, Jonas?
Well, for me, I think this wider time frame presents a different story. That it usually goes up every January and then starts to decline gradually over the year. I mean, because we are seeing the pattern starts forming right here in January again, towards the end of the year, and then in January. So it probably might still get up to or even surpass the 20 naira mark. So I think this for me is a wait and see.
Yeah, I agree with you. So it looks like from the all time, the highest was the above 20 that we saw. And we think that it should be able to reach at least the 15 naira mark. Think, or what do you
Yeah,
think, Jonas?
I think it will. I think it will. Presenting what it did last year, it probably would do it again.
Okay, and looking at a few points to certify that, we see that in 2019 and 2020 they had losses in their financials, and but from 2021 to 2023 started getting profits from their net income, going from 14 million to 190 million to 266 million. So I think we feel this should continue. The pattern should continue going forward.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, so thank you very much for joining us again. Thank you for having me, Jonas.
Thank you. And Happy New Year again to everyone. Bye bye.
Wish you all the best. Bye.